Hello, all you wonderful design students. I want to share with you the Oreo campaign that I've been working on the last few weeks. This is Oreo, a new look at a classic cookie. This is the original ad, the new Oreo Thins, the Oreo you love, now thinner. I think the interesting thing about Oreo is we are all familiar. They have a variety of different types of Oreo. They have small Oreos, they have regular size Oreo, double stuffed, thin, different colors, different flavors. So this ad is focusing on the original flavor, but the thin version. The design is simple and yet very playful with a thin Oreo cookie playing in a glass of milk, and it has a little friend next to him. Just a pretty simple overall design. The typography is also a pretty simple concept with a sans serif in all caps, and it's using both a thin finish as well as a bold finish in the font. And it's interesting how Thins is actually in a bold font, which is the thicker of the two. And I think it's just to emphasize that this is the thin cookie. The colors scheme, again, very simple, using a blue background with a big glass of milk splashing, and so the white color, and then of course the contrast with the cookie, which really pops and it stands out against these colors. The new ad here is Oreo Thins, enjoy what you love most. So the idea that I had with this campaign is that the audience, the target audience is going to be someone who enjoyed Oreo cookies perhaps as a child. So somebody in their 30s, their 40s, they have really great memories of enjoying Oreos as a young child. Now you can enjoy the Oreo Thins and have a little less guilt, perhaps. But the other thing about this campaign is that the Oreo is having fun. It's splashing and it's playing. And the interesting thing about an Oreo cookie, it is something that you can enjoy in the summer months. It's a chocolatey treat that you can enjoy in the summer because it doesn't melt like many other chocolatey treats. And so this ad campaign is kind of bringing in that playful fun, perhaps throughout the summer season, and so forth. As you compare the two, they are similar as far as their colors and their overall theme. In both of them, you have a cookie splashing around and having a great time. So thank you for listening to the presentation. I thank you all for your great comments throughout the semester and for all the guidance and tips and great reviews that you had of my work and other work. I certainly learned a lot from all of you. So best of luck as you go forth with your design skills. Take care.